welcome back. So you may see a package behind me. I've been sent a package from Tech Wrap Craft. Try and say that 5 times fast. Tech Wrap Craft. And so we're gonna unbox the package and do some projects together. Let's go. Okay, look how pretty this package is. Everything's so shiny. All right, so much stuff. Look how much I've been given. Okay, so what do we have? This is all their Tech Wrap Craft vinyl. Looks beautiful. This is like got a bit of a shiny side to it. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at this color. Oh my God. I'm so lucky. I'm so excited. All these things I'm gonna make. So this one is, I just saw the name, the Shimmer White. I've also got the rainbow stripes, which, exciting. This is called Piggy Pink. Super cute. Oh my God, this is just never ending. This is amazing. This is Hollow Cloud. Oh, that effect. Oh my God, I think I can use this with my mug. Oh my God, amazing. This is Apricot. These colors are all just super cute and I just am so excited. We've got Baby Blue. As you know, blue is my favorite. Even though I feel like I always go for pink projects. So like, what is my favorite really? This is Sweet Pink. I think they know I like pink. Oh my God, so sparkly. Shimmer Black, so we've got Shimmer Black and Shimmer White. That's gonna make for some cool projects. And we've even got this really cool Satin Crimson Red. That's gonna make for some cool projects. And then some transfer tape, I believe. Yes, so this is some transfer tape. And then, I have no idea what this is, but it looks really cute. And then look at this. Even the packaging is just beautiful. Oh my God, this packaging. Oh. Look, I've even got a pink shiny pen, a weeding tool in, again, pink and blue, and then a scraping tool. And in the cutest packaging, I'm just gonna wear this as a normal handbag. Oh, so excited. I'm still so excited. So I can't decide. They probably look exactly the same to you between these colors. I think I'm gonna pick this one. This is the Hollow Cloud. And what we're going to do, because this is adhesive vinyl, so this is not heat transfer vinyl, so I'm not gonna be able to use this on my mugs, which is totally fine because I have glassware. So what I'm planning on doing is printing one of my designs with my Cricut. I'm then going to use this material and stick it on here with their transfer tape. And this is the first time I've shown glassware on this channel, so this should be a fun project for us. Let's go. So this is the color. All, if I can fix it. How pretty. This looks amazing. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, so we're gonna go on to Cricut, the app on my computer. You'll see a few tutorials I have on this, but basically we're uploading the image into Cricut Design Space. I've already designed this image on Procreate, and then we select it, put it through, and we choose whether it's a cut or print and cut. This one is going to be a cut image, and I'm going to upload it into the design space, and I'm going to make it a lot smaller than what it is. Drag it right to the top, and then hit make it. And then we're going to load our vinyl into the Cricut machine and then set it to vinyl setting. And then we cut. And this is the most exciting part, and then hopefully it works. And done. Design. I'm going to cut it off this and then we're going to attempt to weed. They've given me this tool and I'm so used to using Cricut tools, so it's going to be a challenge, but it looks really pretty. So it's a bit of a weeding tool. We're going to try this out and we'll see how we go. I don't actually think you can see my design, but hopefully when we weed this, you can. pick like the hardest design to test. That's okay. We like a challenge. We've weeded the vinyl. So I made this design a little bit too intricate for just straight vinyl cutting. It would work a lot better with the HTV, which is why part of my son, I didn't get the actual raise because it's a little bit hard to work with vinyl, but the weeding was quite easy with this vinyl. I quite liked this tool. It's actually really easy to get the little intricate designs out. So I might start using that more often. So let's get this with the transfer tape and then we'll put it on the glass. So I've got the transfer tape here. I really like that it's got the checks so you know exactly where to put your tape. It makes it a lot easier when you are trying to put it straight onto a project. So we're going to pop this onto our design and then pop it on the glass. I love that it even has this really easy peel. Makes it so much easier. All right, we'll try and pop this on. Oh, my thing. Well, it was going to be straight, but my hand moved. Right. So we use this to rub it in place. And then we'll double check that it is attached, which is not. Yes, yes, yeah. Awesome. I'm going to get our glass. And because it's not straight, I'll put it on a bit of an angle. Make sure I'm happy with that. I'll rub it in with my hands. And then I'm going to again use this. And I'll check if it's stuck down. Yes, yes. Morning sunshine. And we did it! We've got our design. It looks super cute. It would look even nicer with a raise, but if I'm doing the glass again, I'd make it a little bit bigger, just because that was designed for going on my HTV mugs. So, I'm really loving this vinyl, the color. I don't know if you can see that transition of color. Beautiful. So I'm so excited to use this vinyl on some different projects. If you have any glass designs in mind that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks so much to Tech Wrap Craft for sending me all these beautiful vinyl products. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.